Welcome to your study point. Test your computer knowledge with this free online test. Want to know how good your computer concepts are? With our free computer level test, you'll get an understanding of your knowledge of computers. Let's begin with our first question. The term computer is derived from Latin, German, French, Arabic. You can pause the video to try your own answer and comment in the comment section. Correct answer is Latin. Who is the inventor of difference engine? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Seymour Cray, Auguste Deming. Correct answer is Charles Babbage. Who is the father of computer? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Seymour Cray, Auguste Deming. Correct answer is Charles Babbage. Who is the father of computer science? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Seymour Cray, Auguste Deming. Correct answer is Alan Turing. Who is the father of personal computer? Edward Robert, Alan Turing, Charles Babbage. None of the above. Correct answer is Edward Robert. A CPU contains a card reader and a printing device, an analytical engine and a control unit, a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit, an arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. Correct answer is a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? User interface, language translator, platform, screensaver. Correct answer is user interface. The first computers were programmed using assembly language, machine language, source code, object code. Correct answer is machine language. Dash is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. Network, peripheral, expansion board, digital device. Correct answer is network. Coded entries, which are used to gain access to a computer system, are called entry codes, passwords, security commands, code words. Correct answer is passwords. Which of the following statements is true? Minicomputer works faster than microcomputer. Microcomputer works faster than minicomputer. Speed of both the computers is the same. The speeds of both these computers cannot be compared. Correct answer is minicomputer works faster than microcomputer. You organize files by storing them in archives, folders, indexes, lists. Correct answer is folders. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Printers, speakers, floppy disk drives, keyboards. Correct answer is printers. Which device is required for the internet connection? Joystick, modem, CD drive, NIC card. Correct answer is modem. What is a light pen? A mechanical input device, optical input device, electronic input device, optical output device. Correct answer is optical input device. UNIVAC is universal automatic computer, universal array computer, unique automatic computer, unvalued automatic computer. Correct answer is universal automatic computer. CD-ROM stands for compactable read-only memory, compact data read-only memory, compactable disk read-only memory, compact disk read-only memory. Correct answer is compact disk read-only memory. ALU is arithmetic logic unit, array logic unit, application logic unit. None of above. Correct answer is arithmetic logic unit. Thank you for watching the video. Comment your score and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more educational content.